everyone, today we are going to prepare chili potato. For this I have cut my potatoes into this size and boiled it for 5 minutes. After boiling it in water, I have removed it and added some pepper powder, some cornstarch and salt. After mixing all this together, put it in a bowl and deep freeze it for 15 minutes so that the entire moisture gets evaporated. And later we require green chilies, salt to taste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, onions, cornstarch. With this cornstarch we prepare a liquid, and oil for deep fry. If you want, you can add capsicum, carrot also, but today I am not using capsicum and carrot, only onions I am using. Now after that we use vinegar, dark soya sauce, red chili sauce for the gravy. Now we will put a kadai. Now heat the kadai and pour oil in it for deep fry. Now your oil is heated in the kadai. Put the potato sticks very slowly in the deep oil for deep fry. Now you can see the consistency and color of this potatoes. Transfer into a tissue paper so that the tissue paper removes the excess oil from it. Now add another remaining potatoes into for the deep fry. In between, please check your potato sticks so that it doesn't stick with each other. If it sticks, then the potato sticks get smashy. So in between, mix it properly so that these potato sticks doesn't stick to each other. Now we are going to prepare cornstarch sauce. With this sauce our gravy becomes thick. So take this cornstarch in a bowl and add some water in it and mix it properly into a fine liquid paste. See, now our liquid paste is ready. Once we start preparing the gravy, we can use this gravy liquid cornstarch gravy in it. Now again heat a kadai and pour 2 tablespoon or 3 tablespoon of oil in it. Once the oil get heated, add some green chilies to it. And then add onions, After adding green chilies, onions, saute this for at least 2 minutes so that the rawness of the onions get evaporated. After sauteing this for 2 minutes, add some red chili sauce into it. 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, and again 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and saute them perfectly. Once the sauteing is finished, add turmeric, add red chili powder and very little salt, because already to the potatoes we have added little bit of salt. So in the gravy add very little salt, so that salt may overtake the entire taste. After sauteing it for a while, leave it to cook for another 5 minutes. Now add little bit of water to this gravy. And cook it until a boil comes. You have boils in it. Now add the cornstarch mixture in it, so that the gravy becomes thick, and give it a nice stir. Now add the deep fried potatoes in it. Now we have added all the fried potatoes in this sauce, and give it a nice stir until the entire gravy is applied on this potatoes. If you want more spicy, you can add pepper powder again on this potatoes gravy. If you eat very less spicy, then don't need to add pepper powder in it, because already we have added pepper powder to the potato. Now your chili potato is ready to serve.
Hi everyone, please watch this video and subscribe and share it.